Hi guys, I am Vishal. I have just completed my 2-day workshop with Janyo Anthony. I'm here just to share my experience that I have got with these amazing workshops that have been done. This workshop was a real eye-opener for me and mind-changing. My perception before for affiliate marketing was only to sell product to people, but after the workshop I came to realize that I was completely wrong in whatever I was doing. In fact, affiliate marketing today means solving a problem. Solving a problem for people that has and propose solution to them and show them how this can impact their life for the betterness. Genio take you step by step on the process of affiliate marketing, showing you from the landing pages, from the product to the audience, and show you how it works. You also get bonuses at the end of the workshop where he talk about Facebook ads and dropshipping. He also show you some secrets like the KLT method that experts are using today to get massive results. I have done a lot of coaching program and training, watching YouTube every time, but this workshop, frankly speaking, has been a real mind-changing for me and eye-opening for me. The process he talk is very detailed and it's crystal clear for even newbie will be able to understand and start their online journey. I sincerely recommend investing in you in this 2-day workshop. This will bring you a lot of changes in your way of thinking and also help you succeed in your online journey or make money online business. At the end, I would like to thank Genyo Anthony and his team for bringing such a wonderful workshop in front of us. Thank you, Genyo.